Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative products to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at the SupeDesk book stand for reading, and let me tell you, this is hands down the best book stand you'll ever find. Whether you're an avid reader, a cooking enthusiast, or someone who works from home, this stand has been designed with you in mind. Right off the bat, what stands out about the SupeDesk book stand is its versatility. This isn't just your average book holder. With its 360 degrees rotating base, you can easily adjust the angle and height to find your perfect reading or working position. Whether you're studying, reading in bed, or following a recipe in the kitchen, this stand ensures comfort and convenience by letting you choose the angle that suits you best. The ability to rotate the stand means you can easily share a page with someone or adjust your viewing angle without having to constantly move the stand around. Not only is this book stand adjustable, but it's also incredibly functional. Thanks to its foldable design, you can store it away when you're not using it, making it perfect for those who are tight on space. Whether you have a small desk, a compact kitchen counter, or simply want to keep your workspace clutter-free, this stand folds up neatly, allowing you to tuck it into a drawer or place it on a shelf without taking up valuable space. Made from a durable mix of wood and aluminum, the SupeDesk book stand is built to last. The materials are high quality, offering stability without the wobble that some other stands might have. The sturdy construction ensures that your books, cookbooks, tablets, or even laptops stay securely in place. The stand also includes elastic page clips, which keep your books or papers from slipping, making it ideal for reading or typing hands-free. This feature is especially useful for people who love to cook and follow recipes or those who use textbooks for study. If you're a cookbook lover, this stand is a game-changer. Imagine being able to easily follow along with your recipe without constantly having to flip through the pages. The elastic clips hold your recipe book open and in place, allowing you to focus on cooking, not on managing your book. It's perfect for those who love multitasking in the kitchen or need a stand that can handle heavier, more bulky books. In addition to its practicality, the design of the SupeDesk book stand is sleek and stylish, making it a great addition to any workspace or kitchen. The dark wood finish gives it an elegant look, complementing a wide range of home or office decors. It's not just a tool for convenience, it's also a stylish piece that will look great on any countertop or desk. What makes this book stand truly exceptional is how multifunctional it is. It's not just for books. Use it as a stand for your tablet, your laptop, or even as a music stand. Its ability to adapt to different needs makes it the perfect companion for students, professionals, or anyone who loves cooking and reading. So, if you're tired of struggling with holding your books or tablets while working or cooking, the SupeDesk book stand is the solution you've been waiting for. Its 360 degrees rotation, adjustable height, foldable design, and sturdy construction make it the perfect accessory for your home or office. If you want to get one for yourself, you can find it easily on Amazon. Trust me, this is a product you won't want to miss. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more amazing product reviews.